Now the chapter 2, linear equations in one variable. Exercise 2.1. Solve the following equation. First sum, x minus 2 equal to 7. In this chapter, left hand side equal to or right hand side. Here left hand side there is plus sign, means when it comes to right hand side becomes minus. Okay. If it is minus in left hand side, it will become plus. Okay. Suppose left hand side means division. Division means 4 by 5. Division 4 by 5 means when it goes to right hand side, 4 equal to some number, there is x. Okay. When it moves, divided by 5 means divided. When it goes to right hand side, 5 becomes multiply. Multiply with 5 we have to put like that. Okay. Now go to first sum. X minus 2 equal to 7. X equal to 7 minus 2 becomes, in from left hand side, when it goes to right hand side, minus 2 becomes plus 2. Okay. Then 7 plus 2 equal to 9. So x equal to 9 is the answer. Okay. 2. Y plus 3 equal to 10. Then y equal to same 10, put the same number 10, plus 3 becomes, when it comes to right hand side, minus 3. Plus 3 becomes minus 3. Then 10 minus 3 equal to 7. So y equal to 7 answer. Okay. Third sum. 6 equal to z plus 2. Here z, write it as here. Here plus 2, plus 2. When it goes to left hand side, minus 2. 6 minus 2. Then it becomes 8 equal to z. That is z equal to 8. Okay. Now you understand? Plus 2 becomes minus 2 when it goes to left hand side. Minus 2. Then 6 minus 2 becomes 8. 6 minus 2 becomes 4. Sorry. 4. Z equal to 4. Z equal to 4 is the answer. Okay. Next, fourth sum. 3 by 7 plus x equal to 17 by 7. Okay. Here x equal to 17 by 7 plus 3 by 7 becomes minus 3 by 7. We can write it as LCM 17 minus 3, 14 by 7. 14 by 7, this is 7 into 2, 7 into 1. You know, 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7. We can cancel this 7 and write it as 2 by 1. That is equal to 2. Anything number by 1 equal to same number will come. 4 by 1 equal to 4. 5 by 1 equal to 5. Okay. So 2 by 1 equal to 2. Next sum. That is x equal to 2. Fifth sum. 6x equal to 12. Here 6x means into. 6x means into. That is 6 into x equal to 12. Therefore x equal to same 12 you put into 6 means when it comes in the right hand side divided by 6. Divided by 6 into becomes divide. Okay. Plus becomes minus. Minus becomes plus. Then divide becomes into. Okay. So here 6 into 2, 6 into 1. Then it cancel this 6, 2 by 1. When we get, now we get true answer. Okay. That is x equal to 2. Okay. Now sixth sum. T by 5 equal to 10. I have told you, no? Divide becomes in the right hand side as multiplication. Here divided by 5. When it goes in the right hand side, it will become multiply. Okay. So t equal to 10 divided by 5 becomes multiplication 5 into 5. Divided by 5 becomes into 5. Okay. 10 into 5, 15. So t equal to 15. Seventh sum. Seventh sum, 2x by 3. 2x by 3. That's equal to 18. Here x equal to 18. X equal to 18. We can put the x, 2x as it is. When divided by 3 becomes into 3. Divided by 3 becomes into 3. That's equal to 18 into 3. 8 3s are 24. 3 1s are 3, 54. Already I have told 2x means 2 into. Therefore x equal to 54. 2 into means here right hand side becomes divided by 2. So 54 divided by 2. 2, 4, 1, 4, 7, 14, 0. So we get 27. Therefore x equal to 27 answer. Okay, understood? Next sum. Up to 7th sum. Next we are seeing the 8th sum. 8th sum, 1.6 equal to y by 1.5. Here by we take it as 1.5. In this left hand side it will becomes into 1.5. Okay. So 1.6 divided by 1.5 becomes into 1.5. That's equal to y. 1.6 into 1.5 means 15 into 6. 15 into 6. Okay, I will tell you. 90. 15 into 1, 15 plus 9, 24. there is point one number, here point one number. So after point two numbers put the sign point two numbers after. Okay, then 2.4, that is no value for 0. After point numbers means there is no value for 0. So 2.4 equal to y, that is y equal to 2.4. Okay, this is the answer. Ninth sum. 7x minus 9 equal to 16. Here 7x 16 minus 9, when it becomes to right hand side we write plus 9. Okay, then 16 plus 9 equal to 25. Okay, 7x equal to 25, that is 7x equal to 25. Therefore x equal to same 25, put 7 into x, 7 into x. Okay, then into means when it becomes in the right hand side, divided by 7. Okay, divided by 7. Answer is x equal to 25 by 7. Okay, next sum. 10th. 14y minus 8 equal to 13. Here 14y equal to 13 minus 8 becomes plus 8. Minus 8 becomes plus 8. Then we have to add these numbers. 13 plus 8, we get 21. We get 21. Now 14y equal to 21. That is 14y equal to 21. 14y means what? 14 into y. Therefore y equal to 21. 14 into means when it becomes in the right hand side, divided by 14. Okay, here 14 into y. So when it becomes in the right hand side, divided by 14. Understood? Here 7 3s are 21. You know, 7 3s are 21. Then 14. 7 2s are 14. You understand? 7 3s are 21. 7 2s are 14. Here 7 we can cancel this. Then you have only 3 by 2. So answer is 3 by 2. Then y equal to 3 by 2. This is the answer. Okay. 11th sum. 17 plus 6p equal to 9. Here 6p equal to 9 minus 17 becomes, when it becomes in the right hand side, minus 17. Okay, minus 17. Minus 17, bigger number sign what? Minus. 17 minus 9. 17 minus what? We will get 8. 8. Here 6p equal to minus 8. That is 6p equal to minus 8. Okay. 6p means what? 6 into p. 6 into p. Therefore p equal to minus 8. 6 into means divided by 6. Divided by 6. Here we even number. Both the number are even number. So 2 into minus 4 by 2 into 3. We can cancel this 2. So we will get minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. That is p equal to minus 4 by 3 is the answer. Okay. Next, 12th sum. 12th sum, x by 3 plus 1 equal to 7 by 15. X by 3 plus 1 equal to 7 by 15. First, we take this plus 1 in the right hand side. Okay. X by 3 equal to 7 by 15. Plus 1 becomes minus 1. Then we can take the LCM. 7 minus 15. Then we will get minus 8. Bigger number sign minus. 15 minus 7, 8. Bigger number sign 15. So we put the sign 15 minus. So we get minus 8 by 15. Okay. That is x by 3 equal to minus 8 by 15. That is okay. Next, here x by 3. First we take x by 3. See, x by 3. When it goes to right hand side, divided by 3 becomes into 3. Divided by 3 becomes into 3. So, minus 8 by 15, right, as it is, divided by 3 becomes into 3. So, into 3 we have to put. Here, 15, 5 into 3. Here, 3 into 1. Okay, 3 into 5, 3 into 1. So, we can cancel this as 1. This is 3 table, we get 5. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. Okay. So we cancel this. Then minus 8 into 1. Minus 8 into 1. Minus 8. Minus 8 into 1. Minus 8. Then by 5. Minus 8 by 5. We get the answer is minus 8 by 5. Therefore, x equal to minus 8 by 5. That is the answer. See, first plus 1 becomes in the right hand side minus 1. Minus 1, we are taking the LCM and minus 7 minus 15. Okay, we get the answer as minus 8 by 15. Then x by 3 equal to minus 8 by 15. We write it here. Now, x by 3 when it becomes in the right hand side as into 3. By 3 becomes into 3. Then we cancel this in the 5 table. Sorry, 3 table. 3 1s are 3. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Then minus 8 into 1 minus 8 as it is 5. So we get the answer x equal to minus 8 by 5. Okay. Thank you.